Laura, do you want to play a new game that I found?
Sure.
I found it on ccssmathactivities.com and it's called DecaDominoes. It's like
DecaDominoes?
Yeah, it's like the Deca deck, except it's a little bit different because the cards look like dominoes. And so I'm giving you a bunch. Depends on how many kids are playing. You might have 2 kids playing, you might have 5 kids playing. And what we have here is a DecaDomino board that starts with a card like this. And it has a numeral on one side and then some sort of various representation of a number on the other side. Here, tallies. 4 tallies and a 1 numeral.
All right.
It's hard to hold these cards in your hand, especially with small hands, so it's much easier just to lay them out in front of you so you can see all of your cards and look at lots of different options.
Won't the person I'm playing against be able to see my cards? Do you think that'll matter?
I don't think that'll matter because it's not really a competition of someone trying to win. It's more so just trying to build a cool board and see what all your cards might be.
Okay, and so if we do use this, it's kind of good strategy skills.
Absolutely.
Right.
So here, when there is a 4 right here and a 1 that's a numeral, and this one I call a picture, you have to match a numeral to a picture and a picture to a numeral. So here I have a 4, and I could put my 4 this way, I could put it this way, I could put it this way. This doesn't really matter. You can put it however you want it to be.
Okay.
It just has to touch only that side.
So I could, right now, then I could match, can I match a number with a number, or do I have to match pictures?
You have to match a picture with a number.
Okay.
So you could look for any 1 that's a
I could look for a 1 picture.
Or a 4 that's a numeral, just like mine.
Or I could look for the numeral 5, 6, 7.
You could look for the numeral 7 in all your cards.
Oh, I see. Okay, well, I have a tally of a 1 here. So I'm going to put that one right here.
Yeah. See, I couldn't put this 0 against this 0 because they're both numerals.
Okay.
So I need to find something that's like a 7 here that I could put off of this side of this one. But if you, I'm not trying to compete with you. So if you had a 7, you could still put a 7 numeral there or there. You could put like a 0 here because that shows no fingers. So that's 0.
I'm looking to see what I have. I wish I had another picture. So if I had another picture of a 7, could I put it right here?
Yep, absolutely.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
All right, well, let me see what else I can play here. I've got, I have 2 0 dice, so I'm going to put those right there. Is it okay that that's upside down?
Yeah, sometimes they're going to be upside down. That's okay. That's really helpful for us to learn how to read numbers upside down too. I'm going to match this 0 with those 0 fingers that it's showing.
Ooh, and you gave me a great spot for an 8, which I've been looking at this one thinking I wanted to play that 8 somewhere. So I'm going to match.
Oh, well, you can't match that 8 with this because they're both picture representations.
I see that. Darn it. Okay, so I need to find the numeral 8, which I don't have. Oh, look at this though. I have a numeral 7. Can I put that upside down right here?
You sure can.
Or could I do it this way?
You sure can.
I want to kind of do it that way.
Now there are some other cards that we don't have right now in our deck that are called Name It cards, and they're like wild cards.
Ooh.
So if you came to a place where you didn't have anything that matched, you could name what it is.
Oh.
But see how that is a numeral? That means this needs to be a picture. So I would need to match it with a numeral somewhere. So I could say that's a 7. And I could match it with that numeral 7.
Oh, I see.
But now that's always a 7 picture.
Always going to be a 7.
So you could play off that.
I could use one of these, and I could say this is a numeral 0 and put it right here.
You absolutely could do that.
Okay.
So this is DecaDominoes.
That's really cool, Jen. Thanks
and you
for
play
sharing
until
that
your
with me.
cards are gone.
Where do I find these cards for free?
You can find these cards and many more like the original Deca at ccssmathactivities.com.
Wow. Thanks.